Tech fans, get ready! DJI is about to shake up the handheld and action camera world with the Pocket 4 and Osmo Action 6. Leaks from Shenzhen reveal these cameras are sleeker, faster, and more powerful than anything DJI has released before. Today on GadgetVerse, we're breaking down everything you need to know before they hit the market. The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game changer. Recently, DJI employees were spotted testing the Pocket 4 side by side with the Pocket 3 in China. And these aren't casual demos. They're pre-release evaluations to fine-tune performance. From the leaks, the Pocket 4 is sleeker and 35% lighter than its predecessor, dropping to just 116 grams. That makes it perfect for extended handheld shooting. DJI has refined the control layout and stabilization system, promising smoother footage and better low-light performance. Early rumors suggest a $699–$799 price range, with a Pro version possibly hitting $899. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3's price has dropped to $529, tempting those who don't want to wait. So what's new? The Pocket 4's design is slimmer and more ergonomic, making it easier to carry in your pocket. DJI may have re-engineered the internal gimbal system to reduce weight while maintaining professional-level stability. Early leaks also hint at improved battery life, possibly lasting up to 180 minutes, and enhanced audio integration. In short, the Pocket 4 is designed to balance pro-grade features with true portability, finally giving creators a pocket-sized powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance. Now, let's talk about DJI's next action camera, the Osmo Action 6. This isn't just an incremental update. Leaked hands-on images reveal a taller, more robust design with a metallic internal frame for better heat dissipation. The lens assembly has been redesigned for improved light intake, color accuracy, and low-light performance. The big upgrade? A 1.1-inch sensor about 40% larger than the previous models. That means sharper, brighter, and more cinematic footage, perfect for vloggers, travelers, and extreme sports enthusiasts. Prices start at $379 for the standard combo and $479 for the adventure combo. With enhanced AI stabilization, longer battery life, and rugged waterproofing, the Action 6 is ready to redefine what an action camera can do. So, which one should you choose? The trusted Action 5 Pro is perfect for immediate adventures, while the Action 6 pushes the limits with 8K recording, advanced stabilization, and futuristic features. And for those who love compact gimbals, the Pocket 4 offers professional capabilities in a sleek, pocket-sized design. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you stick with the classics, or leap into the future with DJI's newest innovations? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gadget leaks and tech reviews from GadgetVerse.